Hey, it's Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord bot that manages guild tags or server tags, perfect for organizing your community. Step 1. Head over to the Discord developer portal at developer.discord.com. Sign in with your Discord account and click New Application. Give your bot a unique name, something memorable that matches your server's vibe or the bot's function. Step 2. Inside your new application, go to the Bot tab and click Add Bot. This creates your bot user. You'll want to customize its profile picture and username if you like. That helps it feel like part of your community. Remember, here's where you'll find the bot token, a secret key that lets your code connect to Discord. Don't share this with anyone. Keep it safe. Step 3. Now, move to the OAuth 2 tab, then select URL Generator from the sidebar. Under Scopes, tick the Bot checkbox. Below, you'll see Bot Permissions. Select the permissions your bot needs to work properly. For managing tags, it should at least be able to read messages, send messages, and manage messages. This step is crucial. The bot can only do what you allow it. Step 4. Copy the generated URL from the bottom and open it in your browser. This will prompt you to invite the bot to your Discord server. Choose your server carefully. You need to be an admin or have permission to add bots. After inviting, check that the bot appears online in your server member list. Step 5. Hosting your bot. You have two main options. You can run your bot from your own computer using Node.js or Python, or use a cloud hosting service like Heroku, Replit, or even paid options like DigitalOcean. Cloud hosting means your bot stays online 24/7, even when your computer is off. Step 6. Setting up the tag system. Most bots come with customizable commands to create, save, and retrieve tags. You can configure these commands so users type something like !tag set to save a tag, and !tag get to display it. You'll also want to set permissions: who can create tags, who can delete them, and who can access them. Step 7. Test everything. Try creating a tag in your server chat, and then retrieving it. If it works, great. If not, check your bot's permissions and hosting status. And that's it. You've set up a Discord bot that organizes your server with guild tags. Perfect for events, announcements, or sharing info fast. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials.